back to the channel, boys. We got the pump house build going strong with pop, a sloop. Got these 4x4 6-footers. We cut a nice little slant so the water beads right down all four sides using a lot of old wood from an old deck. Got some concrete blocks all around. Doing it the Pollock way. You can see we don't even have a measuring tape around here, so this is just eyeballing. All right, we got her all framed in. Day 2. About to have a winter storm in Florida. Supposed to get an inch of snow. We got the sides up. Not too bad. Using these star screws just to put up the ply boards. Got some trimmings to do's. Not too bad for 2 Pollocks. We got the top screwed down. We had to screw out some nails. Filled in the crack. Here we go. All screwed down.